Fire in the Blackstone hole. Let's cook a burger. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my Blackstone griddle. What we're cooking up for you today is we're cooking up some Oklahoma fried onion burgers. Now these burgers have a history, and the way I learned about them was there's this guy named George Motz. George Motz lives in Brooklyn, New York, and he is like a burger maven. He knows everything there is to know about burgers. He's written 5 books about burgers. He owns a restaurant in New York called Burger America, where they serve these. This is how they make them at Burger America. This is some sirloin steak that I ground myself and made into 2 patty balls. They're a little bit bigger than a golf ball, but a little bit smaller than a baseball. We're going to get them on the griddle right now. One there and one right there. There's a little piece of meat that got away from me. Set that over there. So they're sitting on the hot griddle. The griddle's on low, cooking on low. Now we've got a whole bunch of onions that I cut on my mandolin. You got to slice your onions very thin, and you want to throw a whole bunch of onions right down on top of your burger like that. This is a single burger. I'm making a double patty for myself. It's just one. It's gonna be one burger. Now you got your onions on there. I need to season. I should have seasoned it before, but it's not too late. Now George Motz, he only puts salt on his, but I'm putting some SPG on mine because I like a little extra flavor. So I'm gonna put some SPG on there. Not gonna hurt a thing to put it on the onion. It's seasoned. Anyway, gonna get my Blackstone Burger Smasher and give that a smash. Shut up, dog. Give that burger a smash. Not really a smash burger. Just want to get it down a little bit like that. Enough, dog. Do both of these. I don't know what she's barking at, but she needs to get out of here, or she's gonna get in big trouble. All right, there they are, smashed down. Got my Blackstone Burger Turner, smash burger turner thingy standing by. Get some of those onions off of there and back onto that burger. That griddle's hot, you know. You just want to let them cook until you see the edges of the onions start to turn brown, and you see the liquid come out of the meat. That liquid is not blood. Some people say, "Oh, it's bloody." It's not blood. It's myosin. Myosin is the liquid that's in every one of us. All animals have myosin in their bodies. And we're going to let that cook a while, and then we get ready. We see that myosin come out. See that myosin start to pool on top of the burger. Shut up, dog! Not kidding. We'll flip them over. We got the griddle on a low heat. We're not in any hurry. We're not trying to cook these fast. And we'll show you how they make them at Burger America. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm ready to build my burger. I want some mustard on mine. I don't know if George Motz liked mustard on his or not, but I do. So I'll put some nice spicy mustard on the bottom of that burger. Quite a bit of it. I also like some pickles on mine. So I got some nice pickles here that I'm going to throw on my burger. Some pickles. Can't beat that. Now we'll grab one of those patties. Put it on there. There you go. And grab the other patty and get it on there. And guess what? Oh, we got the Chinese circus music out here today. That's it. That's your Oklahoma onion burger. Let me get let me do the money shot, and we'll drink a beer and take a taste. So stay tuned. So yeah, the Oklahoma onion burger should no time to cook. Here's today's beer from the Sly Fox Brewing Company, which is in Pottstown, Pennsylvania. Anybody ever been to Pottstown? This is called Blitz Vienna Lager. Can't wait to try it. A Vienna Lager from Pottstown, Pennsylvania. How bad could it be? It's 5.4 alcohol. Maybe that'll calm me down. I'll tell you what, I need it. I'm not having fun today. Here we go. 4.5, a 5.4 alcohol Blitz Vienna Lager. You like it? Blitz beer from the Sly Fox Brewing Company. I'm not sure why I even bought that. But here it is. Let's quaff the froth off of it. That's very good. Very delicious. Very happy with that. Let's get my Oklahoma onion burger over here. Try to get some of that in my mouth. Stay tuned. Okay, just try to get some of this in my mouth. I don't know if I can. I'll try. I'll try. I'm gonna hold the plate underneath my mouth so I don't get it all over the place. Mmm. That's delicious. The paper towels are way over there. Mmm. That's really good. Hey, you guys, give this burger a try. Check out George Motz at Burger America. You know what I always say? If you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go up in the iCard, visit my buddy Charlie and his friend, whose name I don't know. Just cook the damn food. Those guys are knocking it down. So go up there in the iCard and watch them. Subscribe to me, Root Boy Cooks. We may not cook anything good, but we will drink a beer. This is a very good lager. That burger is very tasty. Even though all I put on it was mustard and pickles, it's delicious. Let me tell you what. Let's see if we can get that cheese pull again. Mmm. Mmm. The spicy mustard. Very tasty. Hey, you know what I always say? Well, I already said what I was going to say. I got nothing left to say. I didn't bring a napkin. My face is covered with burger. We'll see you next week, babies. Bye!